In this video, I'll be showing you how to increase iPad volume. It's a very easy method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do on any iPad you have, there's two different methods. So the first method is on the right side of your iPad, regardless of whichever one you have, you're going to see two buttons that are next to each other, like literally two physical buttons. So if I go to the upwards one, that's going to increase the volume up. And I can obviously increase the volume down by going on the downwards one. It's up to you which one you want to use. Let's say your physical buttons aren't working or you just don't want to use them, so you want to use your screen instead. Easiest thing to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen, whether you're in portrait or landscape, just use the top right, and then all you're going to see is a bunch of different sliders. But I'm going to see this slider right here. All I want to do is increase this or, decrease it to whatever I want. I can switch to iPad speaker as well, and then I can change the volume as much as I want, and then that's it, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials that we've been posting as well.